Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has lost 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator shifted sharply into the negative zone. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has receded into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The Williams indicator plunged into neutral territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Stocks fluctuate as investors weigh the uncertain fallout of the forced liquidation of positions held by U.S.-based hedge fund Archegos Capital. BTCS, a digital asset and blockchain technology-focused company, announced its recently expanded transaction verification services operation on Ethereum 2.0. Bilbil Inc., which is backed by Alibaba Group, tumbled as much as 6.8% in its Hong Kong stock debut, as analysts said a U.S. regulatory crackdown on foreign firms hit enthusiasm for the Chinese online video site.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. consumer confidence will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Redbook Index at 1255 GMT, the U.S. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 1200 GMT, Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.